Okay. Hey, Willie.
Yes, sir.
You don't have any cable, do you? Like aircraft cable?
Yep.
You do? And a little crimp?
We're gonna see how good Jason is at wiring.
Okay. We got brakes.
Brake and beam, but we have tail lights.
That's tail lights. That's one way brighter than the other.
Is one brighter than the other?
Yeah. Left turn.
Right?
No right turn. Hang on. Turn it off for a sec.
No. Anytime that you involve, it's like attach brown wire to blue wire, blue wire to green wire.
Let's try this now.
Double the green wire to gray wire. That parallels to two black wires. Then go to white wire. Oh,
Try it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right turn.
Right turn work?
Yeah. Turn it off. Okay, now brakes. Now we're good. Woo! It's easier with strippers, but
That's what she said. Hey, don't scratch the paint.
sorry. So we got our brown and black. We get our shrink tube ready. So you need 3 pieces of shrink tube. You get your one that's the same gauge as that wire, and then you get your one that will go over both wires. And you got to remember to put these on first, or you're screwed, because you'll get the small ones put on,
I'm sure you're pretty excited. Pull it done.
and then
Now you don't have to pay somebody to go to work.
you'll go to put this one on, and there's no way to get it back on.
And
So,
then now you put your little ones on
so
first?
now, yeah, I put the little ones on. See, you almost caught me screwing up.
Damn! Really? That is a lot of money. Is that for everything?
So there you go. You got those on. Black goes to brown.
Black goes to brown. Oh, because the tail light itself has a different...
Yeah.
Starting salary in Tacoma is supposed to be like 65 to 75. Most people in our class are saying like they don't want to accept less.
Of course. If you're filming me, it's gonna be like a monkey humping a football.
Up to like 80, 90.
I'll speed it up and make it look like it took you no time at all.
Okay.
So work for the
Well, hopefully I got rosin flux core solder. I did. Most people probably just use a so that one's done. Now this one. So now you wait till those cool a little bit, because if you try and slide your shrink tube over it while it's hot, it'll shrink the tube up on the end and you'll screw yourself over. So now, slide this down, cover that one, slide this one down, cover that one, and hit those both quickly. Not too much or you'll burn through it. And Now slide your big piece over both of those. A lot of guys stagger these to where it's not going to rub through the sheath. But I've never had a problem doing it side by side. I also don't really bother with a soldering iron. I like the torch best.
Okay. It's just a little easier.
It's faster, I feel like. And I'm sure about 10,000 people are gonna say how much better they could have done it. And
They're not here, are they?
That's fine. They find what works for you.
Damn, dude.
Oh, see that though? That will wear through your little sheath, so I like to snip that off.
Are you serious? It's raining up there right now.
There's my big piece. Cool.
Whoop, whoop.
Wired.